What's the meaning of CDRW? CDRW. CDRW.
CDRW. CDRW. CDRW stands for Compact Disc Rewritable. It is a type of CD that can be written to and erased multiple times. Unlike CDR, Compact Disc Recordable, which can only be written to once, CDRW discs allow for data to be added, removed, or changed multiple times. This is achieved through the use of a special phase change recording layer on the disc that can be heated and cooled to either a crystalline or amorphous state to represent binary data. CDRW discs are ideal for backing up data or creating multi-session discs with changing content.